Hello, flashlight people. This is the brand new EagleTac D25A Titanium limited edition. Let's compare with the last year model. Basically the same, but there are subtle differences. This portion and this portion. And from the top, the wall thickness are different, and LED color are different, darker, cooler. I believe this is in XML2 T6 neutral white. This is XML T6 neutral white. Let's shine a bit. Before that, I'd like to show you this difference. This twist is better. Twisting line is here. So, nothing is on the line. Twisting line is here. My middle finger is on the line. And please listen to the twisty sound. Coarse, silent, very smooth. I don't think it is only from the oiling issue, but the thread issue. Better thread, very smooth. Thread direction is reverse. I believe you can understand what I mean. Very different, completely different. And I say this is a better design feature and tint difference. It should be warmer. Kind of hard to twist, but easy to twist. Very good twisty light and clicky light, of course. New one, cooler tint is expected. Warmer tint is expected. Subtle difference, but different. To my eyes, this old model is warmer. But I know this difference is just a happening. This is the proof, another proof. D25A2 powered by 2 times AA. D25C2 powered by 2 times CR123A. 2011 or 12 model. 2012 or 13 model. What do you think? This is darker, which means this generates warmer tint. Okay. Let's zoom up a bit. This is clearly warmer. This is greenish. This is pinkish. So this is warmer side, and this is warmer side. Yes, this looks warmer. Warmest, second warmest, cooler side. Oh, this is greenish, this is bluish kinda, whitish. This is the coolest. Okay? Let's compare with this Nietzsche 4500 color temperature. Very neutral. Oh, this is greenish. This is kind of pinkish. Oh, this is warmer. This is cooler. Maybe this line will be correct. Yes, sure. This line is correct. Okay. As you can see, this happens to be cooler. New model happens to be cooler than 4500 degree temperature. So this tint difference is just a happening. So we should not care about this tint difference very much. Out there on the web, I am not able to find this one overseas. Only in Japanese domestic site, I was able to get this one a couple of weeks ago. Now it is out of stock. This light is very popular in Japan. Maybe this will get very popular in the world. Limited run. So they don't, in my past experiences, EagleTac doesn't make over amount of this limited run. So if you lose, if you miss the chance, you will never get this model again. This is the EagleTac new D25A Titanium Limited Edition. I love it. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.